friends, it's me Katya Magician again. Today we are going to be basically writing the code for the calculator. So have you ever wondered, suppose the calculator app is by mistake got deleted from my laptop or my desktop? Have you ever wondered what will happen then? And suppose there's a huge number and you don't want to, suppose you have to calculate, multiply, for example, 3, 6, 5, 7, 8, 8, 9, 0, 8, 7, 9 into 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 5, 2, 6. Okay, now this will be really tough, but suppose we have a calculator, this will be much easier, right? See, 3, 6, 5, 7, 8, 8, 9, 7, 8, 8, 9, 0, 8, 7, 9, 8, 7, 9 into 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 5, 5, 2, 6, 1, 8, 8. Okay, suppose you get a number like this. It will be some huge number like this, right? But, and suppose your calculator has got deleted. Then what are you going to do? For that, you can even write Python code to do the calculations for you. Okay, so it's also much easier because you just have to type the numbers instead of having to touch each number in the calculator like how I just showed you. Okay, anyways, so let us begin with our calculator code. So first, while loop, while true, number 1 is equal to integer input, what is your first number slash n. Number 2 is equal to integer input, what is your second number slash n. Operation is equal to input operation please. Okay, now we have to keep an if operation is equal to plus print number 1 plus number 2, and if operation equal to minus print number 1 minus number 2, and if operation equal to multiplication. Oops, we forgot. There's all the syntax. Here again. Now print number 1 into number 2. elif operation equal to sorry, print number 1 divided by number 2. So after that, you can even do something like this. End is equal to, is equal to input of, do you want to stop slash n? Okay, if n is equal to no, you basically here you'll have to copy this oh, actually no, just actually you have to do that. If n is equal to yes, then break. So this is your code. So basically let us first run it and see if there are any errors. It's perfect. Let's see if it is 12. Second number is 67. What is your operation? Multiplication. 804. Do you want to stop? No. What is your first number? 12. 12 divided by 1.0. Do you want to stop? Yes. Perfect. So it's actually working perfectly. So basically what I did is, first I gave an input saying what is your first number, then same thing with another number, and then I asked for an operation. So if the operation is plus, then it will say, it will print the addition of the two numbers. If it is minus, then subtraction. Multiplication, the multiplication, and division will be the division. And in the end, I actually did I just did an extra addition. You don't have to put this part is not really required. See, from all the way from end. So what is this part of the code actually? This part of the code is basically if you want to stop, you can stop. But suppose you have three numbers in a row. Suppose you have to multiply the product of the two numbers with the product of another two numbers and add them with the product of another three numbers. How are you going to do that? You can't just immediately stop the program and then again run it, and you can't keep doing that, right? So it will keep asking if you want to stop. If you want to stop, you can say, if you want to stop, then you can say yes and actually break the code. Otherwise, you can say no and continue. Okay, so that's all. This is today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.